this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open an Xbox One controller. Okay? The first thing you need to do is to remove this screw over here. So you're going to need a precision Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, now you're going to need to remove these two parts over here. So I have some plastic pry tools. So I'm going to work its way in here. Just go around like that. And that just comes out. Okay, now I'm going to do the other one. Okay, now you have a Phillips head screw that has to be removed here, and you have one here. Now you have one here and one here that have to be removed. Okay. You could just lift it up. Okay, now here's the circuit board inside. Now you can just pull this out. This can be removed as well. This is a clip. Okay, so there you go, how to open an Xbox One controller. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.